Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make a DIY device that will help you control the watering of your vegetable garden or yard. First, you need to take a box and drill holes on the sides. I start by drilling with a small drill bit, and then I widen them with a larger one. By the way, I make these devices to order, so if anyone needs one, leave a comment or message me on Telegram. One hole should be 24 mm in diameter, and the other should be 25 mm. Next, we will need a solenoid valve with a 12-volt coil as well as two 1/2 inch threaded extensions. We wrap PTFE tape around the thread and then screw on one extender. After screwing on the extender, you also need to wrap tape around its thread. And then we immediately wrap tape around the valve thread for the second extender. Now we put all of this into the box and screw the hose connector onto one side. The second extender needs to be inserted through the hole in the box and screwed onto the valve. For this, the hole was specially drilled 1 mm larger than the diameter of the extender. Wrap PTFE tape around the extender's threads and screw on the hose connector in the same way. I'm showing everything in detail so that you can make this device yourself, but if something doesn't work out for you, you can order it from me. You need to drill a 10 mm diameter hole in the bottom of the box. Install the power supply connector into the holes you made. Now you need to drill two holes in the lid and install the LEDs there. One LED is green, the other is red, and 1 kilo ohm resistors are soldered to them right away. This is necessary so that they don't burn out from the 12-volt supply. You'll also need a wireless relay with a remote control that operates on 12 volts for this DIY project. Take it out of the case and immediately connect some short pieces of wire to it. For a good connection, I crimp terminals onto the wires. After connecting all the wires, put the board back into its case. Using double-sided tape, the radio relay needs to be attached inside the box with the valve. Next, take the cover with the LEDs and connect everything according to the diagram shown on the screen. This is how it turned out for me. Now you need to place the sealing gasket into the cover. After placing the gasket, close the cover and tighten the screws. You need to put stickers on the box so you know what this device is and how it works. That's it, the DIY project is finished. We ended up with a remote water supply unit. Now let's connect a 12-volt power supply to it and check if everything works. The red LED lights up right away and the label next to it indicates that the valve is closed. When you press the on button, the green LED lights up with the label valve open. Next we connect the water supply hose to the unit and attach the outlet hose. The direction of the flow is indicated by a sticker with an arrow. Pressing the on button will open the valve and start the water flow. And as you can see, everything works perfectly. Now, with this homemade device, you can remotely turn on watering for your vegetable garden or yard. To do this, you just need to connect the unit to the water supply somewhere in the shed and plug it into an outlet. Then simply run a hose to the garden and connect it to the sprinkler. This device works great. If anyone wants to order one, leave a comment or contact me on Telegram. If you liked this video, give it a like and share the information with your friends. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell. Thanks everyone for watching and goodbye.